Nature of physical science, nature and scope of science and physical science in particular, importance of physical science in daily life CPS 3 Odisha B.ed. Nature of physical science, nature and scope of science and physical science in particular, importance of physical science in daily life. 1. Introduction. Science is a systematic body of knowledge that helps us understand the natural world through observation, experimentation, and reasoning. Among its many branches, physical science deals with non-living systems and includes areas such as physics, chemistry, and astronomy. Understanding the nature and scope of physical science, along with its practical importance in everyday life, is essential for scientific literacy and education. 2. Nature of science. Science, by its very nature, is both empirical and theoretical. It is grounded in observations, experiments, and evidence, but also involves the creation of models, theories, and laws to explain and predict phenomena. The nature of science includes characteristics such as objectivity based on facts, not opinions. Verifiability, results can be tested and verified. Predictability helps predict future events or reactions. Tentativeness, scientific knowledge is not absolute, it can be revised. Ethical neutrality, science is neither good nor bad, it depends on how it is used. Universality, scientific principles apply everywhere under similar conditions. 3. Nature of physical science. Physical science is a branch of natural science that focuses on the study of non-living matter and the laws governing its behavior. It includes physics, study of matter, energy, motion, and forces. Chemistry, study of substances, their properties, reactions, and changes. Astronomy, study of celestial objects and the universe. The nature of physical science is quantitative and precise, relies on measurable data and mathematical expressions. Experimental, uses controlled experiments to test hypotheses. Logical and systematic, follows a structured approach to understanding phenomena. Cumulative, builds upon past discoveries and research. Universal and reliable, laws of physical science apply universally. 4. Scope of physical science. The scope of physical science is vast and ever expanding. It plays a foundational role in understanding the physical world and developing technology. Its scope includes fundamental research uncovering laws of nature, example Newton's laws, laws of thermodynamics. Applied science using scientific knowledge for technological advancement, example electricity, materials science. Interdisciplinary connections, links with life sciences, earth sciences, environmental sciences, etc. Modern innovations, driving force behind inventions like lasers, semiconductors, synthetic materials, and nuclear energy. Physical science forms the basis of various professions, from engineering and medicine to meteorology and space exploration. 5. Importance of physical science in daily life. Physical science deeply impacts our daily lives. From the moment we wake up until we go to bed, we are surrounded by its applications. A. Domestic life. Electricity, appliances, cooking gas, and water purification all depend on principles of physical science. Understanding of heat, light, sound, magnetism, and chemical reactions helps in using household devices safely and effectively. B. Transportation and communication. Movement of vehicles depends on the laws of motion, friction, and combustion. Mobile phones, internet, and broadcasting rely on waves, electromagnetism, and electronic circuits. C. Health and medicine. Diagnostic tools like X-rays, MRI, and blood tests use physics and chemistry. Medicines are developed through chemical reactions and molecular science. D. Environment and energy. Awareness of global warming, pollution, and renewable energy sources like solar and wind relies on concepts from physical science. E. Industrial and agricultural applications. Fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation systems are based on chemical principles. Machines and manufacturing processes depend on principles of mechanics and thermodynamics. 6. Educational value of physical science. Teaching physical science in schools cultivates scientific attitude and temperament, curiosity and creativity, problem solving and decision making abilities, awareness of environmental and technological issues, preparation for STEM careers. Physical science enhances logical thinking and helps students develop rational and evidence based understanding of the world around them. Conclusion. The nature and scope of physical science reveal its universal relevance and necessity. It is not only a cornerstone of scientific understanding but also a powerful tool that shapes our daily lives, technology, and future. Therefore, effective teaching and learning of physical science is crucial for both personal development and societal progress.